on Animal Wonders. Our today's animal is about the American alligator. So, what makes them so special? They're crocodilians that live in the Southeastern United States. They have a bifurcated crush bone and is nearly as powerful as the Tyrannosaurus Rex's bite force. They can be up to 20 feet long, weigh around 1,000 pounds, but some can weigh up to a ton. And they can run pretty fast on land. In a short burst of speed, they can run up to 30 miles per hour. Yeah. They mostly live in Florida. So they used to be endangered, but because of their skin, because of their rough hide and it was flashy and everything. But now they're a protected species by Florida. In Florida and pretty much anywhere else. But you can go spearing gators. If you don't know what spearing is, just go tell your parents that they spear gators. Ever. Now they say, what's the difference between an alligator and a crocodile? This. I mean, it's pretty obvious the difference between an alligator and a crocodile. Dude, this is an alligator, okay? And if you want to know what a crocodile looks like, this is a crocodile. Crocodile, alligator. Crocodile, alligator. In fact, the both of these crocodilians have been around for millions of years when the dinosaurs were there. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it about the gator. Wait, a small population lives in Mexico. What? Yeah, but anyways, that's all for Animal Wonders for today. Yeah, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Wait, no, actually, before we leave, there's a couple more facts I need to tell you about American alligators. So they have another species of gator called, it's called the Chinese alligator, and they're used for food. Yeah. In China, delicacy. Just like their live keychains. But anyway, they're now protected, and I saw one in the zoo, Milwaukee Zoo. And if I'm lucky enough, I might go to the Shalom Zoo. So if you saw my places I recommend video, go watch that. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, bye guys. Now, the next animal on the list is the stag beetle, so look out for that one. Bye-bye.